The SURNAT AWD 2000W Ebike boasts dual high-speed brushless motors, providing an impressive total power output of 2,000 watts, making it ideal for tackling steep inclines and enjoying off-road adventures. Equipped with a robust 48-volt, 22.5 ampere-hour removable battery, this electric bike offers a remarkable range of up to 75 miles in single-motor pedal-assisted mode. Riders will appreciate the comfort and safety features, including 26-inch by 4-inch fat tires and dual hydraulic disc brakes, which ensure a smoother ride across various terrains. The bike's high-strength frame, coupled with an ultra-bright LED headlight and taillight, enhances durability and visibility, making it perfect for night rides. With an LCD smart display, users can easily access real-time information such as speed, mileage, and battery level, adding convenience to their riding experience. SURNAT ensures easy assembly with most of the work already completed and provides a comprehensive 365-day part assurance for added peace of mind.